Thank you, Virellix, for sending this item to check out. And we are looking at the 2-pack of air purifier replacement filters for the MORENTO WESTHEY or the YIOU M1. And this is the HY4866 True HEPA filter 4-stage filtration with carbon and silver technology. These filters have a confirmed life of 2200 hours, but you can extend it to about 3145 hours by using the included cleaning brush on the filter as it's being used over time. But they do suggest that you can replace it every 8.5 months with these filters. And on the back we have this very thin mesh-like filter on top of a honeycomb design filled with carbon particles. A little hard to see, but it almost looks like there's black rice in there. And these carbons have a high absorption rate, and they can absorb 99.99% of microns that are as small as 0.1. And so it can absorb odors, things like smoke, car exhaust, filters, pet dander, lint, pollen. And this has been the Virellix HY4866 Air Purifier Replacement Filters.